Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Hadian bostam lakit kupar nong sit Īaroh Wanphai ka jelah ka arp santreng naitung araja arp rio na ka Jingrwai Bynta ka lempung yukop roi ka beltip kum ka World Championship of Performing Arts WCOPA 2026 ka long ha Las Vegas, United States of America lapen long ya ka jingalang pen ko buram yu ha kendai lat. Ya ka di program pen ko buram lapen long da ka Don Bosco Media Network haringkat ka jingkersan ka sarkar jelat nomor samla kupar ulawan rak buram ya ka ri per ka jelat da ka bakur hadu lightly kita maksiat artly kita kemarnong bat kumjo ka first place scholarship award watla shamla la ban Korea ka nam Grand Champion Performer of the World. Usam lakit kupar na kasnong Kinshia East and West Khasi Hills District ulapoi shikatek rinsan jingakop ling baga jingakop jung u ya kalempong surkun ot season 3 kabelapen long da ka Don Bosco Youth Center DBYC ladim kra ringkat bat ka Don Bosco Media Network bat TV menta haki benai baladam hak jingalang pun ko buram hakendai lat ka performance ngi hapareng jingshit laidan lang do ba paya Nongrwai acting director ka Sports and Youth Affairs ka sarkar jilla kibor penyai ka Don Bosco Media Network bakun top yo padar makri ka kmi bot kupa jong sam lakit kupar nolor ki bahyeng bat kiwe pan
Dikrun watrei aram tang panyo kavam durut tingge wat kashan kavan ban ing kerteng paksa kanam wat long kikran latan bajwat laba mensiam kat bala ringkat kasnam tu yang wadia.
Congratulations wakin tolong ke ke kubur ke ba dokumen cibun matai om tangi kinong yalam jompi andrei wat yengi kinong penya nak benta ka roi ke pa ki kena semlah kan ke dong petai pada ke jelah hibur away. Being among the top 5 finalists in the vocalists of the world, winning 3 gold medals, 2 bronze, and receiving the first place scholarship award is a remarkable accomplishment in itself. You have brought pride to Meghalaya. Pilawan ilam yaka kei ke basno tanat yaka jela jungi, but ni kermen ba pindang ya ceprang, ba pindang yai job, ba pindang yai ra keburam yaka ri berjaya penriu jungi. Kit Kupar journey proves that talent, when matched with hard work and determination, can take a young person from a small village in Kinshi, in Meghalaya, to the international stage. We are especially proud that he participated in the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, which started long back in 2013, and he was part of the contingent which went to Indonesia, led by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. I think he also recently was part of the contingent in the Viksit Bharat in Srinagar, right? Yeah, congratulations again to you. We are very proud actually of him, including, being part of the renowned Shillong Chamber Choir. His success is an inspiration to every young person in our state. I would like to sincerely thank Kasur Kanot, organized by the Don Bosco Media Network in collaboration with the Don Bosco Media Network Television and the Don Bosco Youth Center, for providing a platform that nurtures young talent. My heartfelt appreciation also goes to Father Michael Makri, Kublishubun Father, ngatai PPD uwe ni ki Richard ki ba yalam neti ban penorlong ikini ki kam prepare kabetagi samla jungi. I also congratulate Kit Kupar's parents, Ba Iban, Simli, Marikong, Ba Iban di Batrish Tamudo Katata, not only in the music industry but even in sports. He's president of the Meghalaya Kyrwoh Association. He's also member of the East and West Archery Association. Kalau kaya ba stunat ba aiban ba ikong ban ai min siem yiki kun ba kin be ekatong ba kikwa ba ngapin shilori borok khai kikimin kikparo ba kin buat yang ni gatinjap ka ba nakaliang di ba aiban ba ikong ru kile. My appreciation extend to the people of Kinshi village for their warm send-off and unwavering support to every mentor, teacher, friend and well-wisher who stood by him. Kit Kupar, today you are more than a champion. You are an inspiration. Your success reminds every young person that dreams have no boundaries. With dedication, humility and perseverance, anything is possible. The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs remains committed to creating more opportunities for our youths to excel and represent Meghalaya on national and international platforms. Once again, congratulations, Kit Kupar. You have become a proud ambassador of Meghalaya, rich musical heritage. May God continue to bless you with wisdom, good health, and many more achievements in the years ahead.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Rak Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.